Welcome to this introduction to PrepBusiness. In this video, I'd like to give you an initial sense of what the PrepBusiness software is all about and let you peek into the dashboard view. And from here, we'll go into other features, make more videos. So first, what is PrepBusiness? Why do we exist? PrepBusiness is a software that was designed for prep centers to manage their warehouse, their clients, their operations. All of the pieces that make a prep center run, we handle those and keep track of those in our software. One of the things that's super important for a prep center is to get things in the door and out the door as quickly as possible and into Amazon's warehouses so that you can bill your clients for as many billable services as possible in a day. And so turnaround time is very important. And of course, that's the thing that matters to your client too. They want to see things moving quickly in and out of your warehouse so that they can make more sales. Because of that, we have designed a system that doesn't get in your way. It doesn't inhibit you from shipping as fast as possible. As we go through the videos, you'll see how we've designed this system in order to be as efficient as possible with your in and out operations, as well as all the other pieces of managing a prep center, like managing your billable services, making sure you get paid for those, making sure your clients have a way of seeing and accessing the information themselves so that you're not dealing with a ton of client emails and back and forth, integrating directly with Amazon so that you don't need to be logging into Seller Central and juggling 50, 100 different Seller Central logins. Everything can be done directly from inside the software. You don't have to worry about sharing logins, having somebody's account suspended and that affecting your other clients. Those are things that you don't have to worry about when you use PrepBusiness. So that's what we're all about. Let's have a look at the software. So what I've got here right now is the dashboard view. This gives you a broad overview of all the different things that are happening in your warehouse. You've got inbound shipments showing up today. You've got how much you've shipped out today. You've got a sense of here's what's in the inventory. These are billable services that have not yet been invoiced or invoiced but not paid. So this gives you a quick sense of these are the things that I need to work on today. Then we've got the client selector at the top. And this allows you, as you add more and more merchants to your system, you're going to want to be able to see things specifically for the various clients that you have. It's easy to switch between them and see for that particular merchant what they've got going on in your warehouse. But then if you need to, you can see the entire warehouse view all at once. So you can either see everything or specifically what one merchant has. There's some other interesting components here that we'll have a look at. One is this universal search bar. This means that you can search across all of the different shipments, items, orders, locations, all of those different pieces. Next, we have stations, a station selector. What this allows you to do is connect your printers directly into the software. That means you'll be able to print F&SKU labels as well as shipping labels directly to your printer without having to open up a PDF, format it into the right format for your particular printer. It shaves off a good couple of minutes per shipment because we directly connect into your printers. You just hit the print button, off it goes to the printer. We've got notifications, operations that are happening in the background for some of our automation features, as well as the ability to access the various settings and controls that you have inside the software. Then on the left side, you can see all of the major components of the software. So this is inbound, outbound, the warehouses that you're running, as well as the ability to access some reporting. If I select a particular merchant, then I can drill in and see some details for them, such as their billing, their inventory that they have in the warehouse. You can keep track of some details like their phone number, their notes, and so on, as well as the sales channels that they've connected so that we can be pulling in data and managing their sales channel through those connections. That's the dashboard view. What I'm going to be doing over the next little while is showing you all of these different major features so that you can see in depth how all of these things work. That's the plan. Thanks for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one.